I greet you all. Today I'll update you about Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs is set to complete the signing of Mhleli Joe. Cancel Maboza as a free agent. Maboza can play a right back, right winger and also as a midfield. Maboza is currently at Naturena as we talk. Nasedina Nabi has been assessing him whether he will fit on the system or not. Mabuza is a 24-year-old born on 2000. He was playing in Portugal for Litoral DC when he joined this club on 1 June 2023. Contract expired on 30 June 2025. Kaizer Chiefs is busy hunting South African players who are playing overseas on the low divisions. Kaizer Chiefs will never buy a player cost 30 million plus 25 million. For more football news, kindly subscribe to my channel.